Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got our residue as evidence, for the change. We got our extractions to run through all the categories, found the University of New Mexico. Converted the extractions into numerology numbers using a numerology chart, got those to run through all the categories. We connected the University of New Mexico to Manwich through gematria. We then connected that change to the other 14 for a total of 15 changes we've connected so far through gematria alone. Now, each one of these categories is a connection as well. And as I explained, and now we are on simple binary. So A0, B1 all the way to Z, we found that M is 0 and N is 1, and we got 0, 1. That's what we're working with. So you wouldn't expect to find a lot, but there's more than one might imagine. So we got this to run through the stock market, finance, genetics, medical, chemical. We even found atomic numbers, even though typically we don't necessarily do that through binary, but they're there. And we got artificial intelligence, and now we're on robotics. This is a viewer requested category, but what the hell? We're not getting everything, right? No way. No way we're getting everything. So we're getting enough, though. So we start with 0, 1, and you end up with robotics and autonomous systems 01.org, an open source project which enables developers to easily and efficiently create, customize, optimize, and deploy a robot software stack to an autonomous, we'll see. The robot operating system is a set of software libraries and tools that help you build robot applications, from drivers to state-of-the-art algorithms. And with powerful developer tools, ROS has what you need for your next robotics project, and it's all open source. So it was started in 2007. There's robot development kits. So 0, 1, right there. And it seemed to me, and I could have been wrong, how about +1 robotics? Robot work, people rule. Yeah, I don't know about robots work, people rule. I don't know about that. The fastest, most reliable vision software for logistics robots. Yeah, it says missing 0, 1, but +1. The 0 doesn't need to count. So there you go. First, robot 0, 1. That's wiki though. So anyway, you got a few things there. That's forwards, and now we'll come back. 10 robotics startups to watch in 2020. 10 robots of the past 10 years. So 10 robotics books. So they could calculate off of any of those robotics books, top 10. The 10 coolest robotics startups. So there's quite a few things there. Yeah, a lot of 10 cooler. There you go. 10 humanoid robots of 2020. Now that looks interesting. 10 humanoid robots of 2020. So you got robotic avatar. Looks like they can get in and control the robot with a little headset and some arms going on there. We'll just go through and look at these. Robotic ambassador. Well, robotic avatar. Initially introduced by Toyota in 2017, the THR3 is a humanoid robot that mimics the movements of its human operator like a real-world avatar. Updated for Tokyo Olympics, the THR3 has improved controls and can walk more naturally. Envisioned as a mobility service in the future, these humanoids will be able to perform surgeries while their operators, human doctors, will be controlling them from another part of the world. Why? It can also help caregivers to do their work remotely for those in need of assistance to live a more independent life. So, Avatar, robotic ambassador, perhaps the most recognizable face of humanoids is that of Sophia. I think I don't think that was the artist one. Maybe it was. We showed a robot that drew. Perhaps the most recognized was Sophia, a social humanoid developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics. In 2020, the AI-powered 4-year-old robot is going to continue her role as a robotic ambassador, helping to advance research into robotics and human-robot interactions. Taught by humans, Sophia can move, talk, show some emotions, draw. Okay, so it was the artist, and sing. Delivery robot. In January, it was announced that Ford became the first customer to incorporate Agility Robotics Digit into a factory setting. The headless humanoid has nimble limbs and is packed with sensors. It can navigate the stairs, various obstacles, and all kinds of terrains. It can balance on one foot, but usually it walks upright and is strong enough to pick up and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds. It can also fold itself for compact storage. Ford envisions that Digit will ride in a driverless car and deliver packages to customers, automating the whole delivery process. For now, the company will be testing how humans react when meeting this android. Wow. All right, number 4, research humanoid. Mechanical engineers at Iranian University of Tehran have been working on Surina robots since 2010. There's 10 again. Their latest model, Surina 4, is an adult-sized humanoid that is reportedly capable of face and object detection, speech recognition, and generation, and can walk with a speed of 0.7 kilometers per hour, and has 43 degrees of freedom, and its dexterous hands can grip many different shapes. Engineers use Surina to research bipedal locomotion, AI, and to attract students to careers in engineering. 5, digital humanoids. Digital human beings look and act like humans, but are entirely virtual. One example of Samsung Technology and Advanced Research, STAR Labs, there's another lab, Neon's AI-powered beings with unique personalities and looks. These artificial humans are not designed to answer any questions like Alexa or Siri, but are supposed to show emotions, learn from experiences, and have real conversations. Each neon is computer generated and not necessarily based on real people. and each can be customized for a different role, like a virtual doctor or yoga instructor. Yeah. Robotic Bartender. Now, I've seen one of these before. It didn't exactly look like this. It would look more like an octopus. But Kime is a food and beverage serving robot developed by Mako Robotics in Spain. It has human-like head. It has a human-like head and torso with two arms inside a kiosk. Tested at gas stations in Europe and in a Spanish brewery, Kime is known to be quite good at pouring beer and can serve up to 300 glasses per hour. The humanoid features 14 to 20 degrees of freedom, has smart sensors, and uses machine learning to improve its skills. So there's another job that could go by the wayside, potentially. A robotic actor, founded by director, this is number 7, founded by director Will Jackson in 2004. Engineered Arts is a UK-based company that produces different entertainment humanoids through collaboration between artists, mechanical and computer engineers, and animators. For instance, their first humanoid, the well-known robot, the Spain, Robo the Spain, is a robotic actor that comes with a library of impressions, greetings, songs, and gestures. Several of these can be added together to become robotic theater, an integrated system of robots, movement tracks, animation software, touchscreen control, lighting, sound, and external device control. The company is working on adding Robo the Spain, the ability to walk on its own, but for now the movement can be staged through a hidden system of tracks and dollies. Robonauts. Robonauts. Several countries have been working on humanoids for space exploration. In India, Vyaimoetria Vyaimoetria, a female humanoid robot, is set to launch on an uncrewed space flight in December 2020. The robot is scheduled to conduct microgravity experiments to help prepare for future crewed missions. Fedor, or Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, is a Russian remote-controlled humanoid that flew to the International Space Station in 2019, assuming that's real, where it simulated repairs during a spacewalk and later returned back to Earth. NASA's Johnson Space Center has worked on several humanoids, including Robonaut 2, that spent 7 years aboard the ISS, and Valkyrie. It's possible that future space-faring humanoids will be designed to withstand the harsh environments of the moon or the Mars. Anybody ever heard of that? Is that a Mandela effect? I don't recall them ever showing any robot humanoid on the space station. I guess that doesn't mean anything. And they supposedly, they allegedly went to the moon, which some of us know that was all a bunch of bunk. And that could possibly be why they're trying to make a robot that can go there. So, educational robot is number 9. SoftBank Robotics. Pepper was designed to be a friendly emotions reading helper to work as a receptionist in retail and even as a nanny. Now Pepper comes with an educational integrated development environment, IDE, called Tethys that was created to teach students how to code. Using the software, students can program the humanoid to move, talk, gesticulate, and show different messages on its screen, all in real time. The company hopes this innovative will inspire a future generation of engineers and robotics. Innovative. I don't feel. Oh, initiative. Damn it. The company hopes this initiative will inspire a future generation of engineers and robotics. All right. And number 10. Whoops. Collaborative humanoids. Most humanoids are intrinsically human collaborators. For instance, Nextage from Kawada Robotics is a humanoid research platform for industrial cobots for Industry 4.0. Armar from Germany's Karlsruhe Institute of Technology was developed to perform maintenance tasks alongside human workers in industrial settings. Walker by UB Tech Robotics, on the other hand, is designed to collaborate with humans in their homes. With 7 degrees of freedom manipulators, the humanoid was developed to perform household tasks and smart home control. Now, I don't know about, if I had kids, I don't know about entrusting them to a robot, but to each their own. And that gets you through going forwards and backwards in robotics. So that's pretty interesting right there. So I'm kind of glad somebody brought this up so we could check it. Found some interesting stuff in robotics. And this ran longer than I wanted it to, naturally. So that's going to be it for this one. We'll hit machinery next, see what's there, what isn't there. Then we'll do military, laboratories, research groups, and technology, and then we'll convert this into the alphabetic order and go again as a test run for the South America decode. All right. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.